Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw a cute unicorn house. So let's get started. First, draw a curve to the right side. And here to the bottom. A curve again. So we stop at here. Now we draw the eyes with eyeliner. And an eyeball here in round shape. So now I'm going to do the ear with a little sharp tip, and the hair connect to the nose here. So we'll be like covering the nose. And here I'm drawing the hairline, so make the hair look more prettier. And I can color on it for more colorful. Okay, here the hairline following the shape before. Just draw it smoothly and easy. And here I will continue to draw the hair with a curved hair, so maybe it may look like a girl. So here, the body will be sun curve in shape. And stop here. I'm going to draw the legs for her, so will be like this. So for legs, the shape will look same, so don't worry, just following with me. the back two legs here. And the last leg here. Okay, we almost finished the legs part here. Now we are going to proceed to draw the tail. So I'm going to draw the tail like unicorn hair. Smoothly and with little curve at the end. Now I'm going to add some lines in the unicorn here, so 6 lines here. And now we have a unicorn. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.